For those who have already watched my videos before, welcome back. And for those who are new here, hi, my name is Anjana and welcome to the Tech Girl channel. This is going to be my 150th video and I wanted to do something different. This is not going to be a tech video. I've been doing YouTube videos for close to 4 years now, and this YouTube journey has not been easy, and this video is a reflection of my 4 years of YouTube and more importantly, what I have learned all along. Maybe for those who are starting to think of YouTube as a career, my learnings in this video will help you get a better idea of what it takes to make it a career. 5 years ago, I got married and moved to the US from India. Now I live near Seattle in the Pacific Northwest. Almost within a few months, COVID hit and the world came to a complete stop. At this point, thinking of my career, I had two thoughts. Either look for a 9-to-5 job or take the entrepreneurial route. I really didn't want to get tied down to a desk job and I wanted to do something on my own. Like many others, YouTube video creation fascinated me. I was looking at all these big YouTubers enjoying making YouTube videos while also making a good living out of it. I thought to myself, why not try YouTube as a career? Making videos looks fun, and how hard could it be? Boy, I was wrong. Making videos is fun, but there is a lot of work. I did a lot of things wrong until I found my groove, which is why it took so long to even get monetized. But better late than never. Here are my big learnings after 3 years and 150 videos later. How to make a career out of YouTube and get paid. Okay, first thing first, how do you make YouTube as a career and how to get paid from YouTube? The concept is pretty simple actually. You create a channel on YouTube, make videos that people would love to watch, upload them on YouTube. Simple, right? Once your channel becomes eligible for monetization, YouTube will start showing ads on your videos. More the views on your videos, more the people are watching the ads, and YouTube will share a small percentage of the ad revenue with you every month. Also simple, right? Okay, I said your channel needs to become eligible to get monetized. When does a channel become eligible to get monetized? There are two requirements. One, you need to get at least 1,000 subscribers, and second, your videos should get 4,000 watch hours in a year or get 10 million short views in 90 days. Once you meet these criteria, YouTube will automatically ask you if it should monetize your videos. Once you say yes, YouTube will start sharing a part of the ad revenue with you. Be ready to put in the hard work. Okay, the requirement seems clear and the task seems doable. What's the difficulty? The biggest mistake many people make is they underestimate the effort required to make a quality video. I did this too. Even to make a simple 5 to 10 minutes video, it takes days worth of continuous effort. The research, the script, lighting, audio, recording, editing, thumbnail creation, every single step requires a lot of thought, physical and mental effort to create a quality video. Not to mention the time you invest in learning each of these crafts. If you're a beginner solo YouTuber, you have to be the scriptwriter, you have to be the cameraman, you have to be the host, the editor, the designer, and everything. More often, there is a significant effort behind each simple video you see on YouTube. So if you're in it for a long run, be ready to invest a lot of effort. It's usually not the luck. You see, there are two categories of YouTubers in my opinion. One who has very niche and unique content. They start putting videos and immediately it's a hit. Within a few videos, they get thousands of subscribers and thousands of watch hours. They get monetized and it's all smooth sailing from there. But unfortunately, that is not the common experience. This category of YouTubers accounts for maybe 1% or even smaller than that. The majority of YouTube aspirants requires a lot of grit, determination and consistent hard work to make YouTube work. So if you're looking at that 1% of YouTubers who became big in a couple of videos, chances are you might not be one of them. But what you can be is the YouTuber who became successful by putting in that effort, refining your videos and staying consistent. Consistency is the key. In my early YouTube days, I used to put out a video, let it go for a week, then start thinking about my next video script. Shoot, edit, and then post. A vacation comes and the next video will get delayed. I fall sick, the next video is delayed. I didn't find a good enough topic, the next video is delayed. This does not work in YouTube world. If that's going to be your profession, I had to stop thinking of YouTube as an afterthought and start prioritizing it. If it were a 9 to 5 job, a vacation wouldn't push my deliverables. If I'm tired, I wouldn't skip my office. If friends came over, I wouldn't postpone my meetings. But it's common to do all of those when you take YouTube as a side hustle. So did I. If YouTube becomes a career, it requires the same consistency, planning, and effort, if not more. Rain or shine, the work must go on. You may have poured your blood, sweat, tears into a video, made the video with best shots, editing, content, and thumbnail, but the video might not work. Views would be disastrous while you see another not so great video on a similar topic going so well. Your heart might ache, but that's the reality of YouTube. There are so many factors which contribute to a video becoming big or not. How big is the channel? Was the thumbnail catchy enough? Was it uploaded at the right time? Did you put the right tags and description? Did YouTube recommend it to the right folks? Etc. etc. Even if all these things were right, there are still some videos which do not do well. What I'm trying to get here is we can put our best effort to make the best quality video possible. It may or may not work well. In my experience, 1 out of 5 or 6 videos do well, which means if one video has to do well, you need to have made 6 videos. And if you make one video a month, that's 6 months of your time gone. Instead, if you put 3 videos a week, that's one good video every other week, which is still better than having all your videos go great one a month. I would get disappointed or frustrated over a video not going well. Rethink if YouTube was a right choice. Even stop temporarily in the middle. That was my next learning. Do not stop. I scrolled through various successful YouTube accounts and popular videos. Every YouTuber had good and bad times in terms of video performance in their YouTube trajectory. But one thing stood out amongst successful YouTubers. That was, even during their low times, they did not stop. They just kept going. On the other hand, I also saw many YouTubers with good quality content that did not make it big. The common pattern there was they stopped when there was a dip. I've been in that situation multiple times and I have made sure whatever happens, I'm invested in this. Let's see this through. So I kept making videos and sure enough, things would get better. There can be a small dip, but there will be a bigger jump very soon if we do not stop. Just like the stock market. Finding your niche. I have one important learning which, to be honest, I'm still yet to apply it properly for myself. What I've seen working on YouTube are 2 things. One, either your channel has a very specific, very niche area where you make useful videos one after the other. This way, when you post a new video, your subscribers who have subscribed to you for a specific topic are eager to see more of it. Or second, you are the brand where your subscribers come to see you and the topic can be a little diverse. To make yourself a brand, it takes a lot of time and effort. While if you have a very niche topic and audience, you do not have enough topics to make continuous videos on. These are the 2 extremes and every YouTuber is somewhere on this line. And it's totally up to you how you want your channel to be. But be aware the pros and cons of each of these. All that being said and done, can someone be very successful if we follow all these? I have learned all these over the years. Will I become successful overnight? There is one big factor to add to all these, and that's time. It takes a lot of time to slowly build the trajectory. These learning may help me or you to slightly expedite that trajectory, but there is no overnight success in YouTube. But for that 1%, maybe. But the majority of successful YouTubers have taken the longer, more consistent, hardworking route. There are no shortcuts here. I'd love to hear from you about what kind of videos you would like to see on this channel. Do you want more in-depth tutorial, behind the scenes look at how I create my content, fun gadget reviews? Let me know in the comments below. A big shout out to my awesome husband for all his support and for taking care of all the behind the camera stuff in this YouTube journey. The main focus of this channel has always been to make quality tech videos which are informative and entertaining. This has been a long journey and will continue to be. Subscribers like you are those who make it happen. Thank you so much for being a part of this amazing community and for all your support. I hope this was useful for someone thinking of starting a YouTube channel. I'll see you all soon in another interesting video. Until then, this is Anjana. Bye-bye.